Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shelvy Shabran Z and I'm from SMA Negeri 3 Yogyakarta. And now I'm going to make a video about reviewing Indonesian traditional food. And this video is dedicated for my finals practice. So hopefully you guys all can enjoy the video. Thank you. My first stop was to get this round-shaped dumpling made from sticky rice called onde-onde. Onde-onde is one of Indonesian snack or jajan pasar. Jajan pasar is an Indonesian bite-sized snack or dessert food. Onde-onde is originated from the city of Mojokerto, Jawa Tengah, Indonesia. Typically, onde-onde is filled with sweet mung bean paste and coated with sesame seeds. There is some modern onde-onde modified with various fillings such as cheese, chocolate, or red beet. The texture is so crunchy and soft in the inside. Also, the sticky rice or the outer part of this onde-onde, not too plain but not too sweet, but the mung bean here is sweet, so it matches perfectly with the outer part, I think. And I give it like 8/10 because it's a little bit oily in the outer part. Serabi, also one of Indonesian snack or jajan pasar. Serabi is an Indonesian traditional small pancake. This small pancake can be found in many different parts of Indonesia. The shape of the serabi is oval with a crispy crust around it. Serabi Solo is made from rice flour mixed with coconut milk and sugar. There are so many different toppings such as chocolate, cheese, durians, and slice of banana. People usually cook serabi using traditional tools. A tiny pan and its lids are made from clay and heat over with charcoals. Okay, so let's give it a try. I got chocolate topping here. The inner part is so soft and it's a little bit creamy, and it tastes savory but also sweet. It tastes so good. I give it 8 out of 10. Risol is one of the popular Indonesian snacks. Risols typically wrapped in pastry and rolled with breadcrumbs and then fried with deep oil until it is brownish. Risol is usually filled with vegetables or meat, and risols can be found in street vendors or traditional markets. Let's give it a try. There is an egg inside. So good. Usually, risoles filled with other vegetables, but I don't know why mine is not. But still, it's so good though. I'll give it 9 out of 10 for this. So good. Next is nagasari. Nagasari is a traditional Indonesian cake that originated in Java. The cake comes in a green or sometimes white color. It is made with flour, coconut butter, and a slice of banana on the inside. It's wrapped by banana leaves. It's so traditional. Let's open it. Okay, this is what it looks like from the inside. The texture is soft. Again, it's a little bit creamy and also slightly wobbly, guys. Okay, let's give it a try. It does taste like Nutri-Gel, but it's so compact and it's so good actually. And there's a slice of banana in the inside. For this Nagasari, I give it 8 out of 10. Tempe is probably one of most favorite Indonesian snacks all of the time. Tempe is a natural soy-based product that is usually sold in a block. Tempe goreng can be served in a variety of ways. It can be served as a snack or main dish. As a snack, tempe goreng is cooked in hot deep oil until it brownish and served with sambal. Sambal is a chili sauce from Indonesia. I love them. I'll give it like 10 out of 10 for this, for sure. Because it tastes savory, not too sweet too. And it's just right amount of flavor. Next is an Indonesian rice ball with green glutinous rice flour shells called klepon. The rice balls come along with palm sugar filling. Also, klepon can be found at street food stalls. This is called klepon, and it's coated with a desiccated coconut, or I don't know, it's kind of like coconut sprinkles. And yeah, let's give it a try. The filling inside is like a palm sugar, so it does taste sweet, but the coconut sprinkle tastes savory, so it just mates perfectly actually. If you never eat klepon, at the first bite, everyone would suddenly be surprised that the palm sugar filling just bursts out from the balls. Next, this is a round-shaped bread snack. I don't know, some people call it mata sapi, but some also call it a kweku, I think. Let's give it a try. Alright. It's a little bit sticky. The filling inside tastes exactly like onde-onde. It's a mung bean. Okay, for this red snacks or mata sapi or kweku, I'll give it 8 out of 10. Satay is meat skewers that are cooked over coals, using a fan or bamboo oven to help grill the satay so it can be cooked faster. Satay usually served along with rice or ketupat. Ketupat is Indonesian rice cakes to be exact, and brown peanut sauce poured all over the satay. Next is the most popular dish. This is what exactly Indonesian food is. It's coated perfectly with peanut sauce, and it tastes rich of local seasoning. It's just so good. I'll give it 10 out of 10. This satay, so good, guys. I love the peanut sauce. Okay guys, that's all for my videos today, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.